Lady Fatima was deeply affected by the sorrow and grief of losing her father. As death neared in the prime of her youth, she eagerly anticipated reuniting with her father to share the hardships she had endured from his people. As signs of her departure appeared, Lady Fatima shared her last wishes with her husband, Imam Ali. She desired a quiet burial during the night, excluding those who had wronged her and were enemies of her and her father. She wished her tomb to be leveled and left unknown in a symbolic protest. Hazrat Fatima asked Lady Asma to create a special coffin concealing her entirely, inspired by ones she had seen in Abyssinia. When she saw the crafted coffin, Lady Fatima smiled for the first time since her father's demise. On her final day, Lady Fatima had regained some health, so she bathed her sons and prepared their food. She urged them to visit their grandfather's grave, bidding them a heartfelt farewell. As they left, Imam Hassan and Imam Hussein sensed something unusual and were worried about their mother. Lady Fatima instructed Lady Asma to bathe her, change her into new clothes, and move her bed to the yard. Reciting verses from the Quran, Lady Fatima passed away just after the sun set. Her noble soul ascended to the heavens, unmatched in sanctity, honor, and chastity. Imam Hassan and Imam Hussein returned to find their mother gone. Shattered and grief-stricken, they tearfully delivered the heartbreaking news to their father, Imam Ali, who was engulfed in profound sorrow, mourning the loss of his beloved wife, Hazrat Fatima, with an aching soul. Muslims who were remorseful for neglecting her rights gathered in sorrow. Imam Ali delayed the funeral until the next day. In the night, Imam Ali washed and enshrouded Hazrat Fatima and led the funeral prayers. The burial was a private affair known only to the members of Bani Hashim and the Prophet's closest companions. And now her legacy endures to this day as a symbol of strength, resilience, and unwavering devotion, inspiring generations to come with her courage and perseverance.